Hello, this is John Navar. I'm here in Binondo Church and I'm doing a family tree special of how our family name originated. So according to family history, there were three brothers. Honrades was the original name, and two of them were priests in this church. So I presume that as priests in the Spanish times, they were buried here probably, or somewhere in the tradition of priestly burial. They had a third brother who changed his name to Honorides. So that's how our Honorides clan started. He moved to Cebu and changed the spelling of his name from Honrades to Honorides. He married a Marquez in Cavite, and then they both went to Cebu on a boat and landed in Bato, Cebu. And on reaching the island, he changed his family name from Honrades to Honorides, perhaps to avoid persecution. This is a tree of memorial. Most of the names have already been removed, or probably due to passage of time. Looks ancient. Most of them Chinese names, Filipino Chinese. I don't think my great uncle's names are still here. Maybe there's no record of them ever. The archives. I don't even know who to ask. They probably don't know, and I'm not about to get into an in-depth research. I'm just okay with the family history of that. Gone are the days when there used to be a grand courtyard outside the church. Now it's too commercial outside, so I don't think there's no courtyard anymore where the priests were buried in the old days. They're probably all gone. So now times have changed. Gone is the persecution, and Honorides has now a huge family by his original name, Honorides, and I'm back here at Binondo just to get a feel of the church where his brothers used to serve. Well, there you are. All I have are stories handed down from one family historian to the other, and as far as my own family tree branch is concerned, I have been the self-appointed family tree historian, and so this, I believe, is where everything started in our clan. Nothing but stories to hang on to, the oral tradition, and I'm just happy with that. Well, that's our short special for this vlog, and see you again in our next video. This is John Navar, Honorides. Stay tuned and like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.